Fridge freezer. What we're going to do, put a small explosive inside, light it, shut the fridge door, put the tape on, see if it has the power to blow fridge door open. There it goes.